Hey guys, I have the FabFitFun spring unboxing for you guys. I have partnered with them. That means that they send me this for review purpose. I am not sponsored whatsoever. So this is a seasonal box. It is $49.99 every season, so it comes 4 times a year. This is the spring one. They are also allowing their customers to customize it, so there are various options, and I'll go through those options in the magazine that comes in here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in, and like I said, it's a lifestyle one, so you get a little bit of everything, like fashion, jewelry, makeup, stuff with like exercising and you know, all that jazz. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in, and first thing in here is the magazine. They always have this magazine, which I love because it really explains thoroughly what is in the box and how to use it, and it also has quite a few articles that are very interesting as well. Also, they give me a $10 off coupon code. It is going to be down below. I'll probably put it here on the screen as well. You get $10 off if you use my coupon code. I do not make any money off of it whatsoever. I am completely honest with you guys as far as where I make some kind of compensation from a coupon or a link and when I don't. So that is up to you if you want to use it or not, but I'm just being upfront with you guys. So next thing in here is for HelloFresh. It's a $50 gift card. I'm covering the number just in case I want to use it. And I'm going to go ahead and take out the tissue paper, and these boxes are quite big and heavy, so it's really hard for me to hold it up. First thing in here that I see is the 11 by Venus. Venus is a famous tennis player, and it says it's a jump rope. So like I said, there's a lot of different aspects to this. So this is a something, you know, that you can use for exercising, of course, which is a jump rope. And I'm gonna go ahead and look through the magazine to the part where it has the items itself, so that way we can go through them, because I really enjoy going through all aspects of it with you guys. So this is the page that I'm talking about. So this kind of tells you what comes in your box and what you can, as a member, customize. So everything that's in peach right here are things that you are able to customize. So this whole page right here, this comes in every box. So all 3 of these things are going to be in the box, which is this pink area, and this kind of purple is for only select members who get to customize these options. So these are for people who have, I think, the annual membership. So this one is kind of like an upgrade. So either which way, you'll get one of those products, but if you have an annual membership, you're able to pick out which ones you want. So first thing in here is the jump rope, and that is one of the ones for the annual members. You could either get the jump rope, which is worth $15, the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush, which is $18, or the Face Cleansing Purifier by Tula, which is $28. So you get one of these 3. If you're not an annual member, you weren't allowed to pick, so you'll get one of them as a surprise in there. And the box this month is valued from $226.99 to $314. So these boxes are always more than $200 in value. So that is the jump rope that I got. Next thing in here is, oh my god, this is so cute. It's this water bottle, and it's yellow with little bees on it. And it says insulated to keep your drinks hot or cold. It says Sip by Swell. So I've never had one of these, but this is super cute. I have had other ones. I'm really into more of the ones that have straws on them. Let me just finish. Oh, sorry if my microphone is okay. So this one is just one that you like unscrew and just take a sip on like this, so it doesn't have a straw or anything holding it back. And it holds up to 15 ounces. So that is super bright. I don't think I'd ever lose that one. So for that one, it's worth $19.99. So it seems like there's different other colors. So there's different ones at random. You'll either get that or the Ciate London translucent setting powder for $22, which I would have loved for that one, or the Two Bandits Athens necklace, which is worth $30. So out of all three, I'm okay with the water bottle, but I really would have liked one of these too, just because I'm more into jewelry and makeup than water bottles. But it is what it is. So next thing in here, let's see what I have. This is the Way Leave-In Conditioner, which I am super excited to try. This brand, I have only bought one of their products and I absolutely love it. This will come in every single one of the boxes, and this is worth $26. I'm pretty sure it smells really good, because most of their stuff does. It's a brand that a lot of people talk about on YouTube. I think I only have like it's like some kind of mist that everybody talks about, and it's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and smell this for you guys. Oh yeah, it smells really good, so I can't wait to try this for my hair as a leave-in conditioner. Next thing is the Dr. Brandt's Skincare Needles No More Baggage eye depuffing gel. This is worth $42. I actually already have one of these, so I am probably going to give this away, but this stuff is amazing underneath the eyes. It's kind of orange just when you bring it out, and then you just kind of tap it in, and it really helps a lot with depuffing. And the last thing that everyone's gonna get is the Manicadar Champagne Body Scrub. This is worth $24. And oh, this is such a nice size. I'm all about body scrubs. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna poke a little hole in here and see if I can smell this. See if it smells like champagne or not. Oh yes, it smells like champagne. It's super sweet, so if you're not into sweet smells, you might want to give this to someone else. But it helps detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin. I'm excited to use this because I absolutely love body scrubs. So as far as the rest of the items, if you're a member, just a normal member, you can customize which ones you wanted to get. So let's see what I have in here. I have the Lavido body lotion. This has Mandarin Ocean and Permagant. It's a 4.05 fluid ounces. It's supposed to nourish, protect, and hydrate. So you could either get the measuring spoons, which were $15, which are these right here. You could get the body lotion, which is worth $19, or a mystery palette, which is $20 or more. So that one is kind of a surprise for some people. So this is really nice. I like the fact that it has a lot of really nice oils in here. It has a lot of like mandarin oil, vitamin E, sweet orange, aloe vera, jojoba. So there's a lot of good ingredients in this one. Next thing in here is the, what did I get? Oh, yes, I love this. This is the Kors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I have tried this previously in a smaller bottle, and I really like this. So this is a night cream that you go to bed with, and it's supposed to like hydrate and brighten your skin. It has super vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid, and this is worth $48. So you could choose between two different different sunglasses, a Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu, or the Brightening Sleeping Facial. So one of these four. So the one that I got was the Kors Sleeping Facial, which I am not mad at. And then the last thing in here is this. And I got the Luxe Black and White backpack. So you could either go, you could either get a robe, a backpack, or a meditation aromatherapy diffuser. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbag this. And it does come in its own little like tote. And this is what the book bag looks like. So it does seem very wide, and it fits quite a bit in here. And I love book bags, especially now with my son, just because if you have ever carried a toddler, then you know they're super heavy and I hate having like big purses. So I usually either have a backpack on or a crossbody. And this is super, super cute. I don't know why it has these extra buttons here on the side. Oh, okay. I think it's because you can actually cinch it a little bit more. Okay, now I see. I'm learning with you guys. Okay, so that's what it looks like once it's like styled a little bit. So that is super, super cute. And then the clasp in the front is super easy to just put in and out. So that is what it looks like, and it does have the straps and they are adjustable. This is worth $75, which, holy crap, is expensive. Then it also has the option, like you could have picked the robe, which is a it says it's a lounging robe in a floral print, and then this is worth $84, which is even more expensive, or the aromatherapy diffuser, which is worth $55. So that is everything in the box. I feel like the box is really, really good. The jump rope, just like, I probably would have preferred the cleanser. And then this is cute, but I don't think I'll like really use it that much. So that one was just kind of iffy for me as well. I really would have preferred one of these two, but I can't complain, especially since I am partnering with them and they are sending me this for a review purpose. But if I had this subscription, I would, you know, I think I would have picked out like a few other different options. But definitely, if you are subscribed to them, take advantage, choose your options wisely, and choose things that you really, really are going to get benefits from. So I feel like they have a lot of really, really good options this month. Let me know what you are going to be picking. What are you looking forward to in your box? I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys as always for watching, for supporting my channel and everything. I'm super sorry that this is super late. I should have posted this like mid-February and I'm kind of late to the game. I'm usually like right on there when I need to post, but I'm super late for this FabFitFun because of the fact that my house was being renovated. So it just bad timing. So yeah, thank you guys as always for your support, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.